welcome back to my channel. I am Richa Mundhra for all those who are new here, and I make videos on travel, lifestyle, beauty and so much more. So it would mean a lot to me if you hit that subscribe button and join the fam. For today's video, I thought of doing like a quick makeup look. So the challenge is that I have to do the makeup look with my left hand, and राइट हैंड से भी मेकअप कोई बहुत अमेजिंगली अच्छा तो नहीं आता है. लेफ्ट हैंड से करना तो फॉर श्योर इट विल बी चैलेंजिंग. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is tie my hair because we don't want it to come in between. So let's tie that hair and get started.
A few moments later.
Okay, I have a bunch of makeup products lying here with me in this big basket. Big basket.
बिग बास्केट 5000 फार्मर्स से डायरेक्टली खरीदते हैं.
Or in the comments below if you want to see like a full makeup tutorial video, like go through my makeup and everything, and let me know. We can do that. Now let's start setting up. So what I've thought is that I'll be using some of the new products that I've received from MyGlam, from here and there, and let's see कि हम क्या कर पाते हैं और क्या नहीं. So that is what I have planned, and it might be a little chatty video क्योंकि मुझे exactly ना बहुत ज़्यादा पता नहीं है कि मैं क्या करना चाह रही हूँ इस वीडियो में. I'll quickly pick out all the products. This is my lipstick stack. Okay, I'm not showing off or anything. ये मैंने सब खुद से purchase किया है. I like having lipsticks and I love lipsticks. So these are major of my purchases. This is a pouch of all of my eyeshadows, and I really don't want to go like very fancy with my eyeshadow. Okay, this is another Friends ka dabba. This I got when I went to Central Park in Singapore, and oh god, that was the best trip of my life. Like that particular going to that place, it was just perfect. Okay, and now without any further ado, let's get started. So I'll zoom in a little on my face so that you can see what's happening. And yeah, so the first thing that I want to do is moisturize my face, and for moisturizing I am using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Okay, what I'll do is I will not show you the products because zoom in zoom out में बहुत problem होती है. I'll link all the products in the below. So the I'm using is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost capsule and serum, and this is a serum but it works well as moisturizer. Okay, I have moisturized my face. I'll now go ahead and apply the primer. So the primer that I'm using is this one. This is the Versalis Skin Tune primer. I have made a whole video on how these things work. Okay, and now I'll start using my left hand. So I know I've made the whole video on how this works on my skin, and if it is good, not good, etc. on my IGTV.
And left hand is difficult.
So if you've not watched it, please go follow me on Instagram so that you can watch. Okay, left hand is difficult. My right hand is getting tempted to join, but yeah, controlling. I think we are set with the Skin Tune thing, and let's go and prep our lips. So using the left hand, okay, I'm using the Holy Grail lip balm from Nivea. That's it. Now I'll move on to the foundation. Okay, for foundation I'm using the MyGlam's Oil Control Foundation in the shade Renew. This is a new launch by MyGlam, and this is how the bottle looks. It's like a very fancy white and golden bottle, which is like really nice. So yeah, this is how the foundation looks, and usually I used to take it on my left hand to put from my right hand, but now because you have to do the ulta, I have to take it on my right hand and put from my left hand. Okay, I'll take a little first. Let's see if we can manage it from the left hand. Okay, the best part about this foundation is that I feel that the lack of concealer gets covered, and this like sort of suits my shade, suits my complexion. It's oil control. And oh, one more thing, it has been made by the survey that all of us have filled. Like a lot of people did fill the MyGlam survey. तो ये उस सर्वे के रिजल्ट्स के हिसाब से ये प्रोडक्ट बना है. सो MyGlam is a company that creates co-products by with people with like job normal people, just to tell you that हम care करते हैं, and that is a very good thing. Okay, so I think it's not getting blended. We'll blend it. Take a little more foundation. I took like half a pump. Oh my. Okay, Richa, you can't use your right hand. My right hand is getting tempted. Okay, the brushes that I am using are all from Amazon. I don't even know. This is something called Puna Store. इसका पूरा ऐसा brush का set आया था. Now, if you can see this foundation, na, it's good. मतलब it gives you like that good finish. Now we'll move on to the powder, and the powder that I'm using is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and it's in the shade 25 Medium Moen. This is how it looks. Okay. Now I'm scared to do this because left hand. This works perfectly for me, and if you see, I have not used a concealer and I'm still doing fine. So base is almost done, and I think that was the easy part. Now when we move on to the eyes and brows and lipstick, I think those will be the difficult parts. So let's begin. What I'll do is I'll pick up a palette and I'll just do normal eyes, not normal. So the palette that I'm using is the Nykaa's palette. It's in the shade Just Wink It Crushed Berries, and it has like beautiful pink berry shade. So I'm using this brush. I'm using a basic shade. I'm using like a very light shade. I'm going in it. This hurts. This hurts, this hurts, this hurts. My left hand is very hard and my right hand is like super soft, so this hurts.
One eternity later.
Okay, left hand से left eye तो हो रही है, left hand से right eye नहीं हो रही है.
Eyeliner लगाना बहुत difficult होने वाला है, but we'll try. Okay, I'm done with the eyeshadow. मैं इससे ज़्यादा करूँगी तो खराब हो जाएगा. What I'll go forwards with is now eyebrows. So for eyebrows, I'm using the MyGlam Stay Defined. This is like in two combinations. यहाँ पे brow है, brow gel, और यहाँ पे liquid eyeliner है. So we'll use the brow gel first, and then we'll go ahead with the liquid eyeliner. So not bad. Powder product है तो इतना ज़्यादा difficult नहीं हो रहा है. Moving on to the liner, which is gonna be difficult. Okay, I'll use the Nykaa's Jet Black eyeliner. All of the product links will be given below. कैसे करते हैं? Okay, liner कैसे लगाते हैं? ऐसे ना. Oh, I can't do a liner, but I'll try. Okay, that's all that I can manage. Can you see? That's a straight line, Richa. That's a straight line. That's a good straight line. You just have to fill it somehow. Okay. Okay, that's the straight line. And okay, this one was much smoother than this one, and my liners don't match, but I'm okay with them not matching. Do you see what I did? Yeah. Okay, after a lot of tries, this is how my eyes look. You see this? This is why, because I have this left hand, and you see this. This is just perfect. Okay, now moving on, I'll use the kajal, and this kajal is from Maybelline. It's the Colossal Kajal in turquoise color, and I don't know why I want to do that, but okay, I'll do that. Okay, नहीं लग रहा है, थोड़ा बहुत लगा है जितना लगा है, but basically ये नहीं लग रहा है, so can't help it. Moving on, I'll do the mascara, and for mascara I'm using L'Oreal Paris का Lash Paradise Mascara. This is the L'Oreal Paris Lash Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara, and मैंने बहुत सुना है इस mascara के बारे में, and I've used it. It's pretty good, but left hand से कैसे होता है ये नहीं पता मुझे. I managed to do it pretty well. Blush and highlighter वगैरह वाली चीज़ें I generally don't use, so I'm gonna skip that. The only thing left for us to do is put the lipstick, and for lipstick I'm using the Nykaa's Begum, Nykaa in the shade Begum. I did a really good job. Okay, so now it's time to show you final look. This is how I look. This is how the eyes have turned out, and the foundation is sticking in properly. This is the eye that I messed up because of left hand, but this is how I look, and I think I've done a pretty a decent job in acing the left hand challenge. यहाँ पे तो वैसे ही बाल आ जाता है तो यहाँ दिखता नहीं है, but if I look it from this side, I think I can see the little mess that I've created यहाँ पे, but apart from that, I think I've done a good job. What do you think? But I think I've done a good job. I think my makeup is pretty much on point except for this particular thing, but baki makeup decent hai. This is how I look in general, and this is how my left hand works. Kudos! Yup. So that was it for today's video. All the product links are mentioned in the description below. Do give it a like, comment, hit the products if you want to buy something, and until next time.